Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, the Daily Forex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a scalping strategy for Crash 500 index using two indicators, the relative strength index and the average true range. Okay, so these two indicators which we are going to be using for this trade. Okay, just as you can see, I'm in a profit right now and I entered different positions. Okay, so I'm going to zoom. So what I'm going to be doing right here is taking just 5 candlesticks for this strategy, and my lot size right here, it's just 2 lot size. Okay, so this is a live trade. Okay, so what we're going to be doing when we want to take our candlesticks is that when we see a crossing of the average true range, when the average true range crosses above this level of 87, that's our entry point. Okay, so that's my entry point. Immediately this average true range crosses above the level of 87 of the RSI, I entered into the market. As you can see now, I've successfully gotten 3 candles. So what I want remaining is just 2 candles for me to close the trade. All right, so right now I've made so far about $49 on the market on Crash 500 index, just as you can see right here. So I'm waiting for just 2 more candlesticks for me to exit the market. So this is a scalping strategy I'm using right now with a lot size of 2 on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's see how this goes, right? So just as you can see right now, I've gotten 4 candles successfully and I'm in a profit of 77 USD on the Crash 500 index market. So after this last candle, I'm going to exit the market. Okay, let's see right here. After this last candle, I'm going to exit the market. Okay, I've gotten 4 candles successfully, remain 1 candle, guys. So after this last candle, I'm going to close the market and exit the trade. Okay, and take my profit of about $100, just as you can see right here on the Crash 500 index market. So after this profit, I'm going to explain more on this strategy. Okay, I'm going to show you the settings real quick. Okay, so guys, I've successfully gotten 5 candles of the market, so I'm going to exit the trade right now. Okay, I'm going to exit the trade right now. So guys, I've successfully exited the trade and I've made a profit of $100. So guys, beautiful, just as you can see, I got 5 candles from the market successfully. Okay, so you can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I exited the market at this position. Okay, I exited the market at this position right here, just as you can see, and I bought the market from here and I sold at this position right here. Okay, so guys, how the strategy works is that this red line right here is called the average true range and this blue line is called the relative strength index, and these are the 2 levels that we're going to be using for this scalping strategy. All right, which I just did right now. You just saw it. Okay, so guys, if you see right here, there's a level of 87 and there's a level of 10. Okay, so immediately this red line crosses above this level, it will give you a signal for the last spike. Okay, so that's a signal for the last spike before the trade we enter for a buy. Okay, if you look at it here, there was a spike before this other spike. So after this spike was the one that triggered this average true range to cross above this level of 87. So immediately it crosses above the 87 level. That's when the 5 candle strategy comes in. Okay, so immediately you see a crossing, the 5 strategy comes in immediately. 5 candle takes. After that, you take your profit from the market. Okay, just as you can see at this point also, just as you can see right here, guys, at this point you take 5 candles only. Okay, so guys, this strategy is not 100%. The market might spike even though it crosses above this level, but if it spikes, it's not going to be a big spike. It's going to be a little spike. Okay, I've studied this strategy very well before. I'm telling you guys how the strategy works. Okay, this strategy is a very good strategy which I just used to make $100 from the market, which you just saw, using a lot size of 2. Okay, so guys, right here you can see at this point, take 5 candles only. Take 5 candles, guys. Take 5 candles immediately. So guys, this average true range right here is giving a signal for a buy. Immediately, guys, we need to be patient when trading with this type of strategy, okay? Because the only time the average true range crosses above the level of 87 of the RSI, it will take a range from about a 1 hour. Okay, so if you can wait within that time, sometimes it takes 30 minutes to 20 minutes to reach that position. But if you can wait and have patience for the average true range to cross above that level, it will give you a buy signal for a 5 candlestick. So that's the position for a scalping strategy which I just used right now. Okay, so I hope you understand this video, guys. I'm gonna show you the settings real quick so that you can see how I was able to get this exact position on the market. Okay, so quickly I'm going to enter into the indicators right here. I'm going to show you the average true range. You can see for the color I use red, but you can use any color of your choice. While on the style right here I use 2 pixel. Okay, 2. Then on the levels, level 2, the style is blue. Right here, the period on 14, you click on done. Then for the relative strength index, period 14, the levels 87 and 10 right here. Then the style right here, I choose the black color, while the pixel I use the first one, which is a 1 pixel with the middle line. Then I clicked on done. After that, then you apply to close and all time frames as well. And also the style, the color, you can choose of any color of your choice, but I use blue, just as you can see right there. Then the pixel, I use the second one, 2 pixel. Then I click on done. Pretty simple. That's the strategy, guys. Very simple strategy. Okay, you can see at this point I got 5 candlesticks. Okay, 5 candlesticks, guys. At this point I got 5 candlesticks. Okay, very easy as starts. You can see it crosses right here. It crosses immediately. You see it crossing, you enter for a buy. Okay, that's how you can scalp using this strategy. Very simple and easy. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video and you really like this video, do well to like and subscribe to the Daily Forex on YouTube. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.